this is Vittal. In this tutorial, we will learn how to map store procedure parameter with Dapper ORM. So for that, we need to create one simple empty MVC application so we can learn from it step by step. So let us start creating one simple MVC application. Go to the file, new project, and it taking some time to load. Now initializing the templates. Now choose here from install project and go there that is wave, select MVC and rename it as Dapper parameter mapping, Dapper parameter mapping or anything as you wish. So I'm going to do Dapper parameter mapping and click on OK. So it's creating the project. Next we will select the templates, select empty template so we avoid the generating the extra code. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now it will create the one simple MVC project with a empty code. So let us is taking some time. It will create project. So basically in this tutorial we will learn how to map the store procedure parameter with the Dapper. Sometimes we need to insert the data into database. So similar to edu.net, we need to map parameter with the Dapper ORM. So let us this is created one simple MVC application with no controller, no model and no view. So we will add from it scratch. So it's created one empty application. What second we need to install the Dapper ORM into the project. So how to install it? I have already written one article on it. So let us see again. Right click on it, go to the manage NuGet packages and click on OK. Now it will loading all the templates. Wait, let's see. Wait. Now it loaded out. Type here Dapper. Now it will search Dapper. Click on this Dapper High Performance ORM and click on install. Choose version according to what version you want. I am choosing the latest version of the Dapper ORM. Now choose install and click on install button. So it will be install the Dapper ORM library into my MVC project. Wait, it will be installing. Now folder and this is finished. So Dapper ORM version having version 1.42 is successfully installed in our project. So how to confirm it? Just go to the references and see this is a Dapper. So Dapper is installed into our MVC project. Now next step is to create the model class. So let us create model class. Now new item, or let us see, from we will go from new item so we can, so you people can learn from it. So it's initializing template. So let us code or something class. Now I am giving this class name as employee model, EMPLO, employee model, employee model, and click on OK. So might be you're thinking what type of example I am going to show you. I will show you one example, one simple scenario. Suppose we are going to store the some information into database using the Dapper ORM. So in that scenario, how we can map the store procedure parameter with the Dapper ORM and how to insert the data into the database table. So that scenario we will cover into this tutorial. So first of all, we need one table and one store procedure. So let us, before creating the model class, adding any parameters into this model class, so let us see our table structure. This is our tables having three column: name, city and address. And this is one simple procedure I hope you are seeing, that is name, city, address, and inserting into this particular employee table. And if you see, employee table has no any record, so we will insert into this table from our Dapper class. So let us switch to here. Now add three properties, that is we can say that prop prop tab. Now this one is public in get set. Now this one, and how many parameters are there? Name, city, and address. All these are the string. So I'm quickly replacing it. So what are the name, city, and third one is a address. DRE, yes. This is three parameters I have added into it according to the our table structure. So to insert them, there are three parameters also there: name, city, and address. So let's switch here. ADRE. So this is the three parameters. So without going to add any validation or all these things, so without any wasting more time, so let us go ahead. Or if you want to add validation, then let's add. So other people, otherwise it will criticize me. Why I'm not adding any validation. So let us system using system dot component model dot data annotation. This class contains the all the validation classes. So how we can validate? Let us see. For name we will put required. It will be name will be required, and what will be the error message? Error message will be name is required. So type here name is required. Now similar to all these three, that is name and city, we will put a validation, require validation, and that's it. And just paste here name is required, and this one is address is required. So we have put all the validation into this class. Now click on save, and now simply go to the controller folder. This is a controller folder. Now click on add new controller. I will give the controller name will be, I'm giving, suppose I will add, this is MVC 5 control with read write action. So it will create some by default code. So click on OK. Now give the name employee, MP PLOYE, employee controller. So let us add employee controller. Employee controller is adding into your project. So it's added. Now this is by default some templates created. Action methods are created. That is it's based on CRUD operation. That is having operation, get, post, and put. Maybe sometimes put, but it is a normally get and post. So we are going to insert the details, employee details into the database with the help of Dapper. So let us create the one view by using scaffolding. Right click on it, and this add view. Now which template? Create template, and our model class is employee model. So it will create the it will auto generate the views for us without writing the codes. So click on it. You can rename this as well. So I'm not renaming, as I'm keeping as it is. And now click on add button. It will generate the one views as a strongly type view. So let us wait. It will be creating. It will take some time. Now this is created one simple view. So this is a submit button, create button, all these things. So go to controller. Now this is simply remove form collection. and use namespace here using model, using Dapper parameters, Dapper parameter dot models, and also add the reference of using Dapper, sorry, using Dapper. So the class will be accessible here. Now here it's why employee control already defines member. Okay, sure. So we'll use the our employee model class, employee model obj. So all the details it will be post from the view, it will be stored in this employee model. So all is done. Now the next step is to add the uh, connection string into the our web.config file, so we can communicate with our database. So go to the web.config file and find this is a configuration section. Under the configuration section, just add connection string. So I have already added one. So instead of wasting time, let us copy from here and put here. So this is our connection string. Now next step is to call the connection on this page. So simply we will create one connection class. So again I'm saying that it is just example, so I am putting this connection class is here. We can normalize it wherever we want. So it will require show potential using system.data.sql client. Configuration it will be take using system.configuration. So it will be added. So it will be used for handling the SQL related connection. Now next step is, this is the employee model. Now we are going to map the parameters, store procedure parameters with the Dapper. So let us say what are the parameters we have. We have parameters is name, city, and address. So let us copy here instead of going again and again this one. So let us consider these are the three parameters we need to map with a Dapper. So to map this parameter, we have one dynamic param dynamic parameter dynamic parameters class, which is a Dapper class. So same like as a SQL command, in our Dapper there is a dynamic parameters. So let us create the object of the dynamic parameter. So let us dynamic dy dynamic parameters. Let's see, this is a dynamic parameter. It is same as SQL command in our edu.net. obj or I can add this is a cmd is equals to new dynamic parameters. So for understanding I will rename it forums, means parameters. So I've created it. Now similar to this, we need to add a parameter same like as we are adding in a SQL command. So what, params dot add, params dot add. So let us say string name and object value. What is string name? This is a store procedure parameter name is name. So I am mapping here name, this would be name. And now what is the value of this parameter we are passing from view? That is contained in the AMP model, that is AMP model dot, that is name. What is this name? So this is one, add three parameters similar to this, that is name, city, and address. So copy this one and paste here. Now copy this as well and paste here. Now remove this one and let us add here obj ct. What is obj ct? Now second choose, that is address, j address. So we have mapped the parameter with the our dynamic with the store procedure. So these are parameter mapping with Dapper. Now next step is how to insert these parameter into the database. So next step is very simple, that is uh, that is called the connection class, that is this connection class. So it will be handle the connection related activities. Connection. Now this will be connection. Now next step is, I hope you have seen, I will zoom it. So this one. Now connection, and open the connection, that is con dot open. Sometimes it does not need to open the connection. Dapper is automatically handle, but it good practice to open connection manually. Now simple, we need to write only com dot sorry con dot execute. This is execute async. We will see in my later video tutorials what are these below. So we will use here only con dot execute. So what we need here? We need here SQL query, object parameter, how many parameters we are passing, and all these things. So first we are going to add our store procedure name here. Okay. So what is your store procedure name? Our store procedure name is, this will be our store procedure name. So paste here store procedure name. From where we are passing the parameters. What is the object? Object is, this is a param. So add is a param. So this is, and now next step is we need to specify the command type. So what is our command type? Command type is nothing but the in our normal edu.net we specify the command type is the text or store procedure. Similar to this, we need to specify the command type. So command type is command type dot, or we can say that command, or simply we will see that store procedure command type dot. We can find here like this, CO double M A N D. Command type CO double N command type. So let us fix, we will fix it right pattern. So how we can fix it? Show potential fixes using system dot data. So command type dot, this is a store procedure. So why store procedure? Because we are passing the store procedure. So all set is ready. So close the connection, con dot close, con dot close. Now in very few simple steps we have mapped the parameters with a Dapper ORM. That is simply same. It is similar to SQL command, right? We have SQL command similar to this parameter dot add. This is store procedure parameter. This is value of this parameter. So all is set. Now we will configure our route.config. So it will be run first action. Our name is employee, MP employee, and which we want to start first, that is create one. So let us run application. Why I have this specified? Because I want to run while I am running the application, I want to run this action method, that is create one, under employee controller. So let us run application. It will be take some time. It may be debugging. Let's wait. Building the complete project. So it will build it started. Now Suppose again it will take some time. So it is started. Where it is opening now, it's taking some time. So wait, maybe maybe right. It will be now opening in a browser. Let's wait. Might be you are thinking that why taking this much time. My visual studio is very slow. I don't know why. I'm looking on that, so maybe it will take again some seconds. So let us wait. Let us wait. Now let's create one. Deploy under. So let us see our view is created. So if you see here, there are three fields: name, city, and address is created. So click on here. The validation is added here. Name is required, city is required, and address is also required. So let us add some details. We have already checked that in our table there is no such a details, no records is here. So let us add some detail, that is Vitthal Varje, and my city name will be Latur, and this will be my village name is GVS. So this will be, now click on create button. So let us see what will happen. So I'm returning some view, so this is no need. Sorry for it. It redirect to action, so I'm removing it. So let us stop it again and remove this one because this view is not is there. So simply return this view and same view. So so how can it will manage? Wait, action result will be return view. So let us keep is IDs, but record is inserted into the database. Let's check is record is inserted into our database, that is Vitthal Varje Latur Kabansangi. So why this is error? Because this index named view is not in a employee controller, so that's why it is error is come. So ignore it. Now I configure it. This will be written on only on this view. So we will see again it by pointing the debugger. So how? Let us run the application again. Run application again. Now it will be loading view. So this one is record is inserted into our database, right? So it comes now. Put some name, like I will put my brother name, that is Sudhir. Now Mumbai, I will put anything, that is Kurla or something. Click on create button. Let us see this parameter of EMP model as automatically pick up here. Let us see this one: address Kurla, city Mumbai, name is Sudhir Varche. Now click on F10, F10, F10. It is created the, it's a dynamic param. Now how it is added into the this one. This connection open. Now it is executed, right? And finally the connection is a close. This is will be executed. So now two records will be on our table, right? This is one two tables. So uh, in this small tutorial, I hope you have learned how to map the store procedure parameter using the Dapper, and also I hope you have learned how to insert the details into the database with the help of Dapper ORM. If you want more details, more articles, please visit my blog, that is www.compilemode.com. Let us see. I will show you in a browser, that is www.compilemode.com. compilemode.com. So this is my blog. Don't forget to visit here. Also don't forget to follow me on Twitter as well as my Facebook page. So this is all about the Dapper ORM. So thanks for watching.